month is special.
I just got that on video too. So guys, I got something new. No. Putting coilovers on right before IA. Much excited. What are you doing?
Make sure you tell them that you wouldn't have them if it wasn't for your girlfriend.
Huh? 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 You thought it was dead, didn't you?
Maddie D's back. Whoa, calm down there, Skipper. Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
Was it put up?
On.
Yes, we did. You're not putting a Christmas tree up on Halloween.
And I'm gonna put orange decorations on.
No.
No, a lot of people have Christmas trees and they decorate them for every holiday. A lot of people do that.
Christmas trees are for Christmas.
But Christmas trees are meant for Christmas, not for Halloween, Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Alright, so put down in the comments if Matt's a faggot.
And usually you put it up like... Oh my gosh. We used to take stuff back there and throw balloons at it, like with shaving cream and stuff. And then it's
Here. Do I have to take these out?
Yeah, take them off.
Is your car gonna bounce now? Hello?
Yes. Do that again, you almost had them both in the hole. Where's the nuts at?
Redneck master mechanic.
There we go. So we're currently having a dilemma due to the fact that we need to have a 1/2 inch 17, but we have a 1/4 inch 17. So we're currently looking through everything to find what we need, because we got one on so far. He was working on the other side, but then I can't torque my lugs down properly. So we're trying to see if his dad's work truck has a 1/2 inch 17 socket so that we can torque my wheels down to spec, so I don't go driving down the road and either my one, the stud snap, or two, my wheel doesn't fly off. So we're gonna keep looking. So
Are you cold?
had a problem with the upper end link on top of the end link. The Allen key part stripped out, so we had to resort to the bottom one, and now the bottom one's coming out, so it's gonna be good. Almost done. We got one more to go. So it ended up getting too late to do anything with it. We can't show you. I'll just show you guys so you understand. So can't really see. So right there, you can't get a wrench in because, as you can see, it's like a C shape. But right here, it's bigger. It's a bigger C shape, so you can get a wrench in it. But this
You cannot.
So we're gonna have to do something else tomorrow. We're gonna have to jack this sway bar up so we can get the end link in all the way, so it's not just bending the crap out of that. Gonna continue this early in the morning tomorrow.
See you in the morning.
A little bit of an update. We went home and we slept on it, and now we got it in. Don't move. We decided putting this on first and then doing that would be better. So now we're getting this tightened down, and then we're gonna go to the other side.
Oh, I forgot my coffee. Forgot it.
You're gonna stunt your growth.
No.
Feel like I'm already 6'1". All right, we got the other side in. Gotta bolt the knuckle up to it, and then put the wheels on, drop it, torque it, and we should be good. On. Look at the camber up front. I don't know if the camera will pick the. Yeah, it will. Look at that camber. I wonder if the other side tilts like that. Not really. Oh.
My body can't align this.
Well, it did get in a wreck. Low boy. Low boy. Hi. What do you think about my new shift knob?
Big.
I'm finally as low as Frank. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna sit and watch my little nephews play. It was a pretty eventful day. Fixed the camber, one wheel on the front driver's side, so we fixed that. Frank snapped the bolt, so I had to get an extractor and everything to get that one piece of the bolt out. But besides that, it was a good old day. I'll see you guys in the next one.